Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to the Galaxy Unpacked 2020. I'm Federico Casaleño, live from Korea, and I'm honored to be your host for this event. And I hope you enjoyed that stunning opening with AR. We are proud to share the mobile experiences we have reinvented for you. At Samsung, we always push the limits of innovations, and we constantly reinvent products and experiences. At this time, we also reinvented our event so you can enjoy the Unpacked from the comfort and safety of your home or office. So even if we are physically apart, we are together, connected by a shared passion for innovation, technology, and beautiful design. Thank you for joining us. And we are also excited to welcome our Samsung members from all around the world. As Galaxy users and ambassadors, you provide valuable insights and inspiration. Thank you, and let's have some fun. Samsung has always focused on meaningful innovations that make your lives better. My role at Samsung is to understand the different ways we all live, work, and play, and then design and deliver cutting-edge experiences, keeping people at the very center of everything we do. Our focus is on authentic human experiences through meaningful innovations, and we will show you what that looks like shortly. Today, the world has changed so unpredictably, and we cannot simply continue like in the past. We must redesign a different, better future together. And Samsung is ready to lead this transition to the next normal. And I can tell you really want to see the new devices. So everyone out there, let me start by introducing the all-new Galaxy Note 20.
Wow, there it is, the Galaxy Note 20. Note users have always been energized by work and inspired by play. Now that the division between work and play is blurring more than ever, we need to move fluidly between the two. Note 20 was designed to meet this need and support us in our daily lives. It's a new and improved way to optimize time and maximize efficiency. The new Galaxy Note 20 comes in two versions, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. With everything we do on our phones these days, the display is really important. The Note 20 has a 6.7-inch screen, and the Note 20 Ultra has the largest smartphone display yet in our Note series at 6.9 inches. The display is the most vivid and brightest you can find on a smartphone today. It gives great visibility indoors and outdoors. We've seen your testimonies that no matter how you use your smartphone, once you experience the buttery smoothness of our 120 Hz display, it's really hard to go back. We're proud to bring that same experience to the Note 20 Ultra. And considering how much you'll be using it, we're happy to protect the new Note with the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. The Note can keep up with busy multitasking lifestyles. It delivers the best of power and the best of productivity. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have the fastest processors in the Galaxy series. Advanced chipsets combined with our all-day intelligent battery give you the power to last. And if you're ever running low, you can get more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes. That's staying power you can count on. We also offer end-to-end security in hardware and software with Samsung Knox. If you think about everything that we do on our phones, it's reassuring to know. Cameras are an integral part of the smartphone experience. For me, my gallery has replaced my diary. I use pictures to remember where I went, who I met, and even what I ate. I know a lot of you can relate. We expect our phones to do a lot, and Note 20 cameras are designed to live up to these high expectations. They come with 1 camera on the front and 3 in the back: ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto. You can get sharp pictures even when the subject is far away, and crisp shots in low light. It's the biggest leap in low light photography in a galaxy. And as you can see, the bold design is a proud declaration on its own. The Note 20 Ultra has it all: beautiful widescreen, powerful performance, and outstanding camera. They come together to deliver a fluid experience that opens up new possibilities for work and play. When our invite and teaser videos dropped a few weeks ago, we were amazed by all the buzz about Note 20. These are some of the comments we received. Wow, some of you guys guessed a lot of the details. We noticed design garnered a lot of interest, and it looks like Mystic Bronze will be the must-have color. We asked our designers to share a sneak peek into their process. Let's take a look.
Design is one, and the one is a combination of everything. Design is a problem-solving process with rational and critical thinking. Samsung Design put consumer at the center all the time. We always try to understand their needs and address their problem with a methodized process. We are not in the age of single genius. We believe in democratization of design process, which is cross-functional collaboration. So the main concept of Note 20 design is a sustainable premium, which means long-lasting elegance, neither trendy nor fleeting. We have studied on haze for 4 to 5 years. For the perfect quality, Mr. Bronze was the best color to harmonize with the haze effect. And it is gender fluid and sustainable as well.
The Mystic Bronze of Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra look the same, feel the same, but they're different materials made with contrasting methods. For the Note 20 Ultra, we etched the glass to create a satin finish. For the Note 20, on the other hand, we applied a special coating onto reinforced polycarbonate to realize the same look and feel. This way, within a single series, we deliver the values of both premium and pragmatism. In addition to Mystic Bronze, we settled on Mystic White, Mystic Gray, Mystic Black, and Mystic Green.
We always observe, listen, and adapt ourselves to what are happening in our society. Because we believe design is not a trend follower, but we are culture creator.
You just saw how passionate our designers are, creating products that address the needs of consumers in this fast-changing world. I love how they keep up with real-world changes and the real people who use our products. At heart, that's what the Note is all about. Our friends at Netflix helped us get a glimpse of what life would be like without it.
Busy? Trying to be. Doesn't look like you are.
What are you doing?
Looking for the ham sandwich I left.
Who still uses fax machine?
What are you drawing? It's a check.
What's he saying?
I don't know.
Don't speak that either.
They can't understand you.
Mike,
You're breaking up.
Mike, do you copy?
You're cutting out.
Mike, Dustin, Mike!
What a delightful waste of time.
I needed shock, I need awe, and I needed a PDF because my computer doesn't have Word.
2020 is a year of change. So far, it hasn't been easy. That's why we designed the Note 20 to empower users. And of course, this is here to help. That's right, it's the S Pen. The S Pen defines the Note experience. Our engineers have continuously improved and developed it to put more power at your fingertips. Here's how.
Galaxy Note and S Pen were born to respond to users' needs. We knew people would want a large-screen smartphone with a pen inside because they are watching more online video than ever before. As engineers, our job was to realize this vision through intensive research and development. And so in 2011,
tasks of smartphones and the mobile tablet into one device.
Created a new category of phablet.
Over the past 9 years, the S Pen has been reimagined as a truly powerful device. In the early years of its development, we wanted to keep satisfying those who say that, I like writing with the S Pen. So our primary goal was to provide a better feel to the writing and achieved improved recognition.
But if you've been watching how it's developed since then, you will know it's no ordinary digital pen. We introduced AirView, which enables the viewing of additional content by hovering the S Pen over the screen. The Air command gave an instant reading of available tasks, while the Smart Select received much praise for providing more freedom in doing screen captures. We also added a translation feature, which students really loved. And there's Action Link that turned handwritten notes into action for immediate use.
But still, we received feedback saying, I draw a line, but it appears too slowly. It was a perceptive observation that gave us a real jolt. That kind of latency is created as the pen's signal is picked up by the handset, processed by the software, and then finally drawn on the screen. One of many solutions was the AI-based point prediction. We had our system analyze tens of millions of writing and drawing samples, much more than before. Based on this, the device predicts the next expected point of the S Pen. Since the predicted point should be closer to the real next point than the last point, the process can contribute to decreasing the latency. Also, thanks to a doubling of the display's refresh rate to 120 Hz, the Note 20 screen now shows the data from the S Pen twice as frequently as the Note 10. In the end, we reduced the latency to 9 milliseconds, moving the S Pen one step closer to the natural feeling of writing on paper.
Handwriting on a digital screen was not a common thing 10 years ago, but now it has become a common experience. I think Galaxy Note and S Pen set a kind of new normal.